Yeah. Hello, good evening, all of you. Are you hearing me?
Good evening, sir.
Okay, see, physical properties. So I think we already discussed about physical properties. Just note down. Lower member of amines are gases and with fishy odor. Primary amines with 3 or more carbon atoms. Or liquids. And still higher ones are solids. So this is a physical existence. The next solubility we'll see. Lower aliphatic amines. Lower aliphatic amines are soluble in water because they can form hydrogen bond with water molecule. Next, solubility decreases with increase in molar mass of amines. Increase in molar mass of amines. Due to increase in size of the due to increase in size of the hydrophobic alkyl part. So with increase of carbon chain, solubility of amines decreases in water. Alcohols are more soluble in water than amines in water, because alcohols are more polar than amines. Next, about a boiling point.
Sir, don't drop the last line, sir.
Boiling point of amines higher than hydrocarbons and ethers, but lower than alcohols of comparable molecular mass. In case of isomeric amines, primary amines have higher boiling point. Because primary amines can form more number of hydrogen bonds. Primary amines and secondary, least is tertiary. This is primary amine. So this hydrogen also involves in hydrogen bonding. Two hydrogens can involve in hydrogen bonding, and nitrogen also. Total 3 hydrogen bonds. Secondary amines, only 2 hydrogen bonds possibility. Tertiary amine, 0, no hydrogen bond. That's what have low boiling point.
Sir,
Hmm.
last one don't erase, sir, the
This
diagram.
diagram. Okay.
Yes.
Here boiling point comparison. Compound, molecular mass, boiling point. Your compound is primary amine, butanamine, primary amine. And here also, this is also butanamine only, but it is secondary amine, C2H5, twice NH, secondary amine. C2H5, NCH3. This is the tertiary amine. These both are isomers. Three are isomers. C4H11N. And simple hydrocarbon, C2H5, CH, CH3 twice. This is the hydrocarbon. Last one, but alcohol, C4H9OH. I see its molecular masses. Alcohols having highest boiling point. Here, this is alcohol 390.3. After amines. In amines also, primary amine having higher boiling point, 350.8. After secondary amine, 329.3. That one, 310.5. And hydrocarbons having the least boiling point is 300.8. Next subheading, basic character of amines. Here, amines are being a basic, they can form salt and water with acids. Don't write, listen to this. So it's amine. They can react with acids. You can take HCl, and directly take an example, HCl. It can form R bond NH3 plus Cl minus. So salt is forming. So if we take another amine, aniline, when treated with HCl, it can form NH3 plus Cl minus. So it can form salts. So this basic character of amine is mainly because of presence of lone pair on nitrogen atom. Here. So amine also basic, sorry, ammonia also basic because nitrogen atom having a lone pair. So amines also same, nitrogen atom having a lone pair. So it is basic. This basic character we are telling as Lewis base. It have capability to donate lone pair of electron. That's what it is, a Lewis base. And here, if we compare basic character of different amines, aliphatic amines are more basic than aromatic amines. Because of inductive effect. So suppose in case of aliphatic amines, so we are defining basic character, the ability of nitrogen to donate lone pair of electron to some electron poor substance, suppose H plus. So here this compound having more ability to donate lone pair of electron to H plus because this is electron donor group. All alkyl groups are acting as electron donor group. So this can donate electron density to functional group NH2. Then nitrogen can easily donate electron density to H plus. So this is a more basic now. This is aliphatic amine. In case of aromatic amines, so nitrogen having lone pair, but instead of donating this lone pair to H plus, it's not happens easily. This lone pair of electron is involving in resonance. So these electrons, lone pair of electrons of nitrogen involving in resonance. So now the entire molecule is not ready to give electron pair to H plus. That's what it is, less basic. So right guys asking for 1 mark why aromatic amines are less basic than aliphatic amines. Because in aromatic amines, the lone pair of nitrogen atom is involving in resonance. So due to unavailability of lone pair further to donate H plus, it is less basic than aliphatic amines. So now aliphatic amines basic character. So here I am writing 3 amines, primary amine, secondary, tertiary, and ammonia also. Ammonia, primary amine. Secondary amine. And tertiary amine. So which is more basic according to inductive effect? And these are now we are considering in gaseous phase. Suppose the given substances, ammonia, primary, secondary, and tertiary amines are in gaseous phase. And if we consider the inductive effect, which is a highly basic substance? Tertiary is more basic, because now this nitrogen atom is attached to 3 alkyl groups. No, all alkyl groups are acting as a good electron donors. So these all can donate electron density to nitrogen. So further, nitrogen is able to donate electron density to H plus ion. So this is a more basic. Then this least is ammonia. This is in case of gaseous phase. I'm asking in examinations. We have totally 3 different ways: in gaseous phase, then liquid phase, and then we are considering all the 3 factors. That's very, very important. Only in examination they are asking order of the following amines in the increasing order of basic character. Just we have only 2 orders. Just if you
Should
learn
we
the 2
write
orders
this?
enough. No,
Sir,
later I will give notes. Just wait. So this is according to inductive effect. Tertiary is more basic, then secondary, then primary, least is ammonia. Okay, now we consider, suppose these all substances are in aqueous phase. These all are in, suppose in water. What is the basic character? This is in gaseous phase. Suppose in aqueous phase. So in aqueous phase, the obtained ion is more stable. Which one is able to form more number of hydrogen bond? That is more stable. That having more capability to donate lone pair of electron. So now in aqueous phase, which is more basic? We can leave about ammonia, then decide about primary, secondary, and tertiary. The molecule which can form more number of hydrogen bonds, that is more basic in aqueous phase. Now which one is more basic? Primary. Primary amine can form 3 hydrogen bonds. Already previously in boiling point I explained, primary amine can form more number of hydrogen bonds. This is 2, this is 2, this is 0. No hydrogen bonds. So in aqueous phase, primary amine is more basic. And then secondary, least is tertiary. And if we consider steric factor, means because of steric hindrance. I'm taking example, methylamines, CH3NH2, dimethylamine is CH3NH, CH3N, CH3, CH3. So now we are taking an aqueous solution only, but just now we are considering only steric factor. If we consider steric factor also, this is more basic, because nitrogen of lone pair of electron can donate easily to H plus here, because no steric hindrance, only one side alkyl chain. But if we come here, 2 sides alkyl chain is there. So in a bulkier group, if methyl is okay. Further, if we take any big groups, lone pair of nitrogen is not easy to donate. Methyl, this is methyl, this is methyl. So nitrogen donating electron pair to H plus here. Here, too much steric hindrance. Now here is the species H plus. Donation of lone pair of electron to this H plus is here not easy because of steric hindrance. In 3-dimensionally, these 3 methyl groups are covered this nitrogen atom with lone pair. So the nitrogen atom is it have capable to donate, but there is no place to donate this electron pair. That this is calling steric hindrance. Due to steric hindrance, tertiary amines are very less basic. Primary amines are more basic. But now we have to consider the all 3 factors. One is in inductive effect factor, and aqueous phase factor, and steric factor. If we consider all these 3, entirely we are getting a different order. So in examination, mostly they are asking in gaseous phase. In gaseous phase, order of basic character of amines is tertiary is more, then secondary, then primary, least is ammonia. In aqueous phase, primary, secondary, and tertiary. And steric factor also same order we are proceeding, but steric factor is individually not asking. They are asking by considering all the three factor. One is inductive effect factor, and steric factor, and solvation. Solvation means that's hydrogen bonding. It's aqueous solution. By considering all these three factors, entirely we are getting different basic order. So the two orders are given here. In case of methylamines, secondary amine is more basic. Secondary amine always more basic, and primary amine, and then tertiary amine, trimethylamine. Least is ammonia. This is in case of methylated amines. Suppose in case of ethylated amines, in ethylated amines also secondary only more basic, then tertiary, then primary, least is ammonia. So everyone should by heart these two orders, because in
So
exam
should
also
we
they are
write the
asking
order
you.
now?
No, in notes I will give later. You can. So these two orders only asking my in examination. I'm talking about board level. In competitive level, they're giving different compounds. Everyone should by heart these two, because in our syllabus only given these two.
Sir, if competitive, how to find, sir?
In competitive, they will give you some pKa values. That's very easy in case of competitive, and some aromatic amines also giving with comparison. You can see some examples later. Yeah, right notes. Amines being basic in nature, amines being basic in nature, react with acid to form salts. To form salts. R bond NH2 plus HX. So because of donation of this lone pair of electron, can form salt. R bond NH3 plus X minus. MS3 plus X minus. This anilinium salt. Simply salt. Amines have unshared pair of electrons. Amines have unshared pair of electrons. On nitrogen atom. Nitrogen atom, due to which they behave as Lewis base. Lewis base. Okay, next. Larger the value of Kb, so Kb means base dissociation constant. Or smaller the value of pKb, smaller the value of pKb. So this is a pKb means minus log of Kb only. We are writing as pKb. Instead of minus log, we are taking p. Now, smaller the value of pKb, stronger is the base. Stronger is the base. So if pKb is small, base is strong. Aliphatic amines are more basic than aromatic amines because due to plus I effect, inductive effect. So plus I effect is directly proportional to basic character. Aromatic amines less basic than ammonia. Because lone pair of nitrogen involves in resonance. Aromatic. So side resonance effect. And minus I effect inversely proportional to basic character. Inversely proportional to basic character. So write small tabular form. Name of amines. structure.
So can you not erase the last line? I didn't write.
Okay. PKB.
Can you move, sir?
Yes, right. So name of amine is methylamine. First one. Methylamine. Formula is CH3NH2. PKB value 3.38. Next one, N-methyl methanamine. N-methyl methanamine. CH3 NCH3 H. PKB value 3.27. Then NN dimethyl methanamine. CH3 NCH3 CH3. PKB value 4.22. Next, ethanamine. C2H5NH2. PKB value 3. No, ethanamine is 3.29. 3.29. And N-ethyl ethanamine. N-ethyl ethanamine. This is 3. Next, NN diethyl ethanamine. NN diethyl ethanamine. C2H5, N C2H5, and C2H5 is 3.25.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, if we increase the alkyl group, then basic nature will increase, sir.
Yeah, if increase of methyl groups or alkyl groups, basic character increases. But at the same time, we have to consider remaining two factors. One is steric factor and solvation factor. Means capability of forming hydrogen bond. If we consider all these three factors, mostly secondary amines are more basic.
No, sir, I'm saying carbon chain, sir. It's methylamine and ethylamine.
Yeah. Carbon chain increase, so one side basic character increases. So these 6 compounds are aliphatic amines. So that's what having more basic character. You can observe the values, very small numbers, 3, 4 and all. Next, see aromatic amines. So next, 7th one, benzenamine, means aniline. Aniline, this, its pKb value 9.38. Next, phenyl methanamine. Phenyl methanamine. So here, phenyl ring, phenyl methanamine. Yeah, CH2 NH2. Of course, this is also aliphatic, not aromatic. If amine ring is directly attached, that is aromatic. But here CH2 came now, so it is aliphatic. So it's basically 4.70. Next, N-methyl-aniline. NH, one side methyl group. This is 9.30. Next, N-dimethyl-aniline. It's 8.92. So if you observe in these 10 examples, so first starting are aliphatic amines, those having very less lower pKb value. So that's what they are, highly basic. See, these are aromatic amines. This is aromatic. This and this also aromatic. Last two and this one. This having higher pKb value, 9.38, 9.30, 8.92. It's the higher values. That's what aromatic amines are, less basic. And this is not aromatic. This is aliphatic because NH2 is first linked to CH2. Further CH2 is linked to benzene. So this is not aromatic, but that's what it having lower pKb, 4.70. Hmm. Write few orders is very important. The order of basicity of amines. The order of basicity of amines. In the gaseous phase, follows the expected order. Here, tertiary amines, then secondary amines, primary amines, least is ammonia. So here purely we followed inductive effect. So this is above order of amines by consideration of only inductive plus inductive effect. Next point. The order of basicity of aliphatic amines in aqueous phase. Primary amines greater than secondary amines, then tertiary amines. So this is exactly reverse of the gaseous phase. So above order based on solvation effect, solvation is directly proportional to So solvation is directly proportional to hydrogen bond forming capability. So primary amines can form more number of hydrogen bonds, so it having more solvation, so highly basic in aqueous phase. So these orders are very, very important. Gaseous phase, in aqueous phase.
Sir,
Hmm.
so can you show how they react with water to form stable ions?
So in water, so this primary amine having more capacity to form hydrogen bonds, no? So large number of water molecules are surrounded by primary amine. So it is easily can donate lone pair of electron to water molecules. So when primary amine it is in water, amine is acting as a base, water is acting as a acid. So now amine easily can donate lone pair of electron to water molecules. Because in primary amine it is forming 3 hydrogen bonds now. So water molecules are more number of water molecules are comes closer to the primary amine. So it easily can donate lone pair of electron. That's why it is a more basic. That's why we are saying solvation. If more the number of ions surrounded, that having more solvation. It's completed the 2 points. Actually, the basic character of aliphatic amines in aqueous phase affected by inductive effect, solvation effect, and steric hindrance. by considering these factors. The basic character of methyl substituted and ethyl substituted. Amines in aqueous solution. Is as follows. So mind these three factors. In case of basic character of amines, we have to consider all these three factors: inductive effect, solvation effect, and steric hindrance. CH3 twice. NH is highly basic. Then CH3 NH2. Then tertiary CH3 thrice. N least is ammonia. And in case of ethylated amines, also first secondary amine. C2H5 twice NH. Tertiary amine. Then second primary C2H5NH2. Least is ammonia. So here these two orders, and in gaseous phase and in only in aqueous phase, those four orders you have to mind it. In the exam mostly asking these two orders only.
Sir, the previous one you gave also was aqueous phase, sir.
Previous one aqueous phase, but only considering solvation effect. By only considering solvation effect is primary, secondary, tertiary. But here we are considering all these three factors: inductive effect, solvation effect, steric hindrance.
Okay, sir.
So finally, a basic character of amine is clearly explained by pKb values. That pKb values are affected by these three factors.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I did not get one question in aldehyde chapter, sir.
Okay, tell me.
There are two NH2 groups in semicarbazide.
Okay.
However, only one is involved in the formation of semi-carbozones.
Yes.
Give reason, sir.
Okay. So in semi-carbazide, this is formula. This is the aldehyde or ketone. So only this NH2 involves in formation of a semi-carbazone, not this NH2, because in this NH2, this nitrogen of lone pair is involving in resonance. Of course, this is also involves, but this is not involving now. That's what this is easily undergoing reaction with the aldehyde or ketone. This is because of resonance. So how many questions you give wrong answer?
Sir, only this one I did not.
Only this one. Remaining 44 are correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.
No, not in CET paper, sir.
Huh?
This one textbook question.
Okay, textbook question it is. Okay, okay. Which question in textbook?
Sir, 12.18, sir. Exercise.
Give possible explanation for each of the following. Yeah, this is only reason. Okay. So this is about basic character of aliphatic amines. Just now see in aromatic amines. Generally, aromatic amines are less basic than aliphatic amines. However, in aromatic amines also, their basic characteristics depends upon substituents. See, aniline. Suppose aromatic amine is attached to electron donor groups like methyls or even OCH3, any alkyl chains. Their basic characteristic increases. Suppose electron withdrawing groups. These are electron donor groups. Electron donor groups are substituent along with this NH2 group on benzene ring. Its basic character increases. Suppose electron withdrawing groups like NO2, CN, aldehyde group, carboxylic acid groups. If these kind of groups are attached on benzene ring or on aniline, any position is ortho, para or meta, its basic character decreases. Okay, note down this one point, later solve a few questions. In case of substituted aniline, basic character increases due to presence of electron releasing groups. due to presence of electron releasing groups like OCH3, methyl, etc. Alkyl groups, all alkyl groups are electron donor groups. Basic character of substituted aniline. Decreases due to presence of electron withdrawing groups. Like NO2, CN, COOH, even halogens also, halogens, aldehyde, etc. Okay. Write one question. Arrange the following. So this is exercise question 13.4. First one, in increasing order of basic strength. In increasing order of basic strength. Species are C6H5NH2, C6H5NCH3 twice, C2H5 twice NH, and CH3NH2. So we have to arrange these four species increasing order of basic strength. So first, which is less basic?
Sir, aniline.
Very good. Aniline is less basic. So C6H5 NH2 is less basic. After,
The
C.
second one, sir.
Yeah, this only. These both are aromatic and these both are aliphatic. So this is also aromatic, no? So less basic. Compared to this is somewhat better because nitrogen is attached to some methyl groups. Then
methanamine.
methanamine, CH3NH2. Highly basic is diethylamine. Okay, then second one. Increasing order of the pH values. In increasing order of pH, not pH, pKb values. So see, pKb value increasing order means, what is the basic character? pKb and basic character both are inversely proportional. So if you are arranging increasing order of pH means you are giving decreasing order of basic character. So arrange now the species decreasing order of basic character. Here species are C2H5NH2, C6H5NHCH3, C2H5 twice NH, and C6H5NH2. So arrange the species in the increasing or no, decreasing order of basic character. Decreasing order. So first one must be highly basic. Which is highly basic?
Sir, Ancamine diethyl.
This one. Diethylamine is highly basic. C2H5 twice NH is highly basic. This is the correct. Then after which one? Harsh.
Sir, C2H5NH2.
Good. After
C6H5NH2.
C6H5NH2, that is the least basic. See this molecule. C6H5 and here NH only, but along with it having one HCH3, no. So this is somewhat better basic than this one. C6H5 NHCH3. Least basic is C6H5 NH2 aniline. Next one. Increasing order of basic strength. Aniline, para-nitroaniline, para-toluidine.
Sir, para-nitroaniline.
Which is more, okay, we are increasing order of, which is the less basic here first?
Para-nitro.
Para-nitroaniline. If there is a presence of electron withdrawing group, that is less basic. So this is very less basic. Para-nitroaniline, less basic. After?
Aniline, sir.
Yeah, aniline. Then para-toluidine. Yeah, it is having para-toluidine is aniline. At para position, methyl group is there. So electron withdrawing group, donor group methyl. So it is highly basic. Next, arrange this species. This is A. B is C6H5NH2. Aniline. C6H5NHCH3. N-methylaniline and phenyl methanamine. Increasing order of basic character. Tejashwini.
Sir.
Hmm. Which is less basic?
So least is aniline, sir.
Very good. Least is aniline. Very good. Increasing order. I think this is increasing order only, right?
Yes, sir.
So right as the solution also same. Least is aniline. This one C6. This is a aliphatic amine, so it's highly basic. Next question. Decreasing order of basic strength in gaseous phase. In gaseous phase. C2H5NH2. C2H5 twice NH2. Sorry, NH. C2H5 thrice N and ammonia. Decreasing order of basic strength. Likita?
Sir.
Yeah, tell me, decreasing order of basic strength, these molecules. You have to write first highly basic substance.
So that tertiary amine.
Very good, tertiary amine. This is highly basic. After?
The secondary amine.
This.
Then aniline.
No, not only
C2H5NH2.
ethylamine, C2H5NH2, primary amine.
NH3.
This is ammonia. Okay. Well, thank you. In tomorrow class I will explain remaining. So by tomorrow, all of you submit assignment of aldehydes, ketones, and carboxylic acid NCERT questions. I think so few students didn't completed alcohols, phenols, ethers. So that assignment also submit along with
Sir, I have an
aldehydes and
internal
ketones.
exam tomorrow, sir.
Internal exam.
Yes, sir.
So when will you submit then?
So can I submit after my term ends, sir, because my term
I mean
ends.
after 1 month. No, I don't give that much time. By this weekend you submit. You said no, already completed aldehydes chapter.
The carboxylic I finished, sir.
Only carboxylic acids you finished.
Yes, sir.
So additionally write 10 questions from aldehydes, 10 from ketones, and then submit by this weekend. Okay, thank you.